Okay, hey guys, we're going to show you a Instax mini. We have touch card. So this is the box. It's an Instax mini 5OS. Sit down. My cameraman not sitting down. Sorry about that. It's thick 40 film. It's an instant camera, right? It's piano white color with instant photo that's coming up. It looks like this, and we just got some lens online, so we still have this paper because it's just a 1 year warranty. It's been made at this location at Singapore. That's why I'm right here. And we have signed these forms, which we won't really do it because we have to go Bangkok soon. I won't actually be uploading for the next few weeks. So sorry about that. I might upload, though I don't know. First thing we're going to open this box. Now going to open this box here. And here's the thing. We have to take this off and then put like this, and then we open it. And then first thing you see here is this white foam wrap. So you just open this and just open this nicely, and then you have the camera right here. We already took a few photos for this inconvenient cause. For that. And these are the film it uses.
Can I ask you a few questions, Advaith?
What? My cameraman was not sure what.
Yeah. So where did you buy this Instax mini?
I got that Challenger.
Challenger?
You can get the Challenger with, you have to buy the film too. It's going to cost about $105 or $20. So
Oh, expensive, right?
actually we paid extra $8 to be a Value Club member.
What do you get with the Value Club member?
Well, Value Club is you get the, if you get some small thing, it'll be 5% off. If you get some regular thing, it's going to be like $10 off.
Oh, good.
So here's the lens. You see through this. I can see you guys right now. The camera angle.
Oh, that's how you take a picture?
Yeah, that's how you see. And meanwhile, you.
Can you just open and show audience? How do you put the batteries? Where do you?
First, batteries are right in. So
Okay, can you just open and show the
I'm
audience?
going to unlock.
Okay. Wow.
And this
popped out.
This
The lens
says
popped out.
how many seats are available left.
What are the sheets?
Seats are the film. I'm going to show you what it means. I'm going to take a photo of my cameraman. I'm going to take one photo of. I'm going to take a photo of one thing.
Okay.
Maybe it's like out here. I'm going to take a photo. Okay, it's a little hard to see with this actually. Little hard actually. It's very, I'm going to. Okay, I'm going to right now take a photo of this sun here. Okay, take the photo. The seat, seat comes up. You have to put it up with this now, and you have to wait for a few minutes for this absorb. You have to take it for it to absorb. Meanwhile, you have to take this. Take it. Let's take it and wait for a few minutes. See.
So you're not supposed to touch with fingers here, right?
Yeah. See, here it starts to.
Oh, sorry for that.
See here it starts to absorb.
Yeah, it's getting brighter and brighter. You can.
Yeah, so see the photo at the top there. So that's take. We're going to have this. Is equal.
Oh, it pop in.
And next year I have to add a lens on it. The cameraman going to have me add a lens right now.
Oh, I think this is how the picture looks like.
Yeah, the picture looks like this. It can't get any brighter.
Yeah, so we're trying
when
to.
When it's done absorb, now you can touch it.
Yeah, after some time I think it will get even brighter.
I keep dropping it.
So, thank you. See, thank you. Sit closer.
No, wait, I'm going to. The photos take about 15 minutes to totally absorb. And now we wanted to see a little more of this camera. Here is a little more of the camera. If you can just open it right here, unless you can see the camera.
Yeah. Which I think you're not supposed to open it.
It's okay, we can open. It's 4 doors, it's like elevator.
Yes.
It's like elevator, look, there's 4 doors. 4-way entrance. If you have never seen it like this before, I'm going to remain, you see, here. Now you know what the seats are, right?
Oh.
Now you know what the seats are, so
6 are there.
there's 6 remaining.
I can just...
We got 20 in these, so if you run out, you can... That
Put
means
one
we
more
can
box
only
of
take
it,
6
right?
more left.
Yeah.
We only can put 10 at a time, 10 at
Yes.
a time. So, it is cool, it's like, see now, when I off this door starts to close.
Oh, it's
Okay,
very cool.
when I on now then it opens, see?
Yes.
So if you try close it and close,
Yes.
because it's not right now. So, now...
So where do you put the batteries?
Right, now if you want to take the picture, it does not even... If you now want to take the picture, it doesn't even work. So, because you didn't on it. Press the power button. I don't really want to press the button because in case I do anything bad. In case I have to get advice by elders, thank you. Please subscribe to this channel. We'll do more awesome activities in Bangkok. Thank you. Bye.